We all go in, but we won't all come out.
That wasn't a tape, was
Of course.
He's self-contained.
There can't be a parade without him. Are you kidding? Grand Marshal.
Oh, this is great. We need that sweatshirt.
Yes.
I feel you.
don't
Or
call
jump
police.
in your case.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Come back home. Yeah.
To the Sherman! Don't do it.
You're like, how do
Down to Nazareth, always feel about half past 10. To the place where I can lay my head. Hey, mister, can you tell me where a man might find a bed? You know there is a day, you know it's all the same. Take a load off the finish, take a load for free. Take a load off the finish. Hey, put the load right on me. I picked up my bag, going looking for a place to hide. When the soul comes by the devil walking side by side, said, hey, Miss Honey, what goes in our town? Just say, I gotta go, but you came around. Take a load off the penny, take a load for free, take a load off the penny. Hey, hey. Put the load right on me. Oh. Judgment Day. Well, singing all about your misery. fanny. Take a load free. Take a load of a thing.
New Orleans, Pennsylvania.
Officer Ryan on the job right there.
He's on every corner, you know. He runs ahead.
Say, hey, little Chester, don't go. Take a load off the fanny. Take a load for free. Take a load off the fanny. And put the load right on me. Look at all these happy faces. My bag is singing low, and I do believe it's time to get back to Miss Annie. Though she's the only one who sends me here with her out for everyone. Take a load off, baby. Take a load off, free. Take a load off, baby. All you need is love. Go to the floor. Yeah.
On, right up there.
Oh, let's do the band then. Yeah. Up on, quick. Up on Nickel Creek. Up on Nickel Creek. Hey. When I get off of this mountain, you know where I wanna go. Straight down the Mississippi River to the Gulf of Mexico. This little country girl I want to. She told me there's some stuff on by there was anything she can do. Up on Quimby Creek, she sends me if I spring a leak. She defends me, I don't have to speak. She defends me the drunken stream if I ever did see one. She looks as she stung me, she bet on one horse to win, and I bet another to show. I old cripple creek. She says me if I spring a leak. She defends me, a drunk don't have to speak. She defends me, a drunker dream if I ever did see one. All right, somebody! I took up all of my weed and I gave my little Bessie hell. But she tore it off and tore it in my face just for a laugh. But there's one thing in this whole wide world I sure would love to see. That's through that little love of mine that's done in my teeth. Up on Cripple Creek, she sends me if I spring a leak. I don't have to speak, she defends me. Drunker's dream if I ever did see one. She sends me if I spring a leak. She defends me, a drunker's backspeak. She defends me, a drunker's dream if I ever did see one. Do-do-de-do. Do-do-do-de-do. Great parade, Tim.
Thanks for parading with us.
Great parade, yeah.